How to enable or disable Talkback vibration feedback on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on accessibility, then tap on Talkback. After that, we go down and tap on settings. In Talkback settings, go down, then tap on sound and vibration. At the top here, tap on vibration feedback. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.